Okay, guys, this is just a short video outlook for the week. This is weekly time frame on dollar index, and uh, I love to see dollar index dropping down from here, but looking at what's currently happening, it seems dollar index is bullish. So if the continuation, this weekly time frame, okay, we have a very tiny fair value gap here, which is here to get completed. Last week tapped into it, but there's still left with some few more to complete. And this is kind of a breaker. So if the continuation of dollar index to the upside is to proceed, either it will start to rise from here and keep going up. But if anything, then if you're not returning back from here, returning like moving down from here, then they would like to come back and complete this fair value gap here. Then push up. That's what I see. But I would love to see dollar index dropping down from here. But looking at the action here, it seems they just came to the discount area or discount price of this whole move. Okay. So they just came for a discount price and they start to push up. You see, so uh, we have fair value gap over here, which they are likely going for. So in a subsequent weeks or days coming, that's when we see what is likely to happen. But at this point, it's not good to be selling. It's not good to be buying as well. But on that's for swing traders. But day traders know how to scalp anything fair value gap here. And if we are to see a continuation to the ups, we will likely see that. So quickly jump to gold, which I trade is looking at that. We have immediate weekly rebalance here. You know, last week I talked about this 3 months immediate rebalance here. They came for it and they went up nicely. And I told you after we completed this, I told you guys we should be looking for a buy. Look at the number of pips that it moves up. That's 26 pips. Or when we calculate from the low, that's 29 pips, almost 30 pips. Okay. So it's always the basics. Okay. Always the basics. So now this week, what are we looking for? Well, we like to monitor what dollar index is likely to do, but normally immediate rebalance over here for weekly immediate rebalance, and that's this one. So we open and touch that, that's immediate rebalance. So they can start, as soon as they touch that, they can start to drop. Yeah, so at least the drop can be up to the midpoint of this week. Okay, midpoint, which is the half point of that. But we'll go to daily time frame, we'll see what is likely happening. So on daily time frame, we have this weekly immediate rebalance, and that's actually the high of Friday. So we can open, take out Friday's high and drop onto this daily immediate rebalance. So something like this, we open here, go take out the Friday's high by touching weekly immediate rebalance. Then we drop down to this. That alone can be your trade for the week. Okay, that alone can be your trade for the week. But I would love to see dollar index dropping from here, from this zone. Okay, down. Okay. So for now, I'm not bullish on gold. I'm bearish on gold. Okay, I'm bearish on gold for now. Until this high is taken, or I see something heavily, which is confirming that we are bullish now. We are heading to the upside. But as it stands now, I'm bearish on gold, and I expect a drop to the sales to start from here. Let me go to 4 hour. You see what it's like. We have this fair value gap here. We have a break of structure. This is the breaker. We are hitting the breaker here. We took out this high and went up into this fair value gap. We ran down. So we are filling this gap and into the breaker. So these two consecutive bullish candles over here, that's advance order block. So by touching that, I like to see gold drop. Okay, I like to see gold drop. And in forex market, anything at all happens, or anything at all can happen. So if we are to go further up, then I would like to see a reaction around here. Then by then, dollar index supposed to be dropping. Then we see gold also shooting up by taking this high. So like, okay. So obviously, for now, I'm just looking to trade just gold opening to touch weekly immediate rebalance by taking out Friday's high and try to give my signature and to drop down onto daily immediate rebalance here. That is all I'm looking for to trade. So for now, what I see now to happen is this one, this area to trade. Okay. And that's about how many pips? That's about 60 pips. I don't need 1,000 pips to be profitable. Okay. So for now, that's all I want to see happen. And after that, I know that is going to happen just a day. And if that happens, whatever previous day's candle is going to show us, we will definitely get what? Our confirmation to either the downside or the upside. Definitely. Yeah, so that's all for the week. And we are tomorrow, we are having a lesson on bringing it all together. Yep. So that is. Thank you for your time, and keep an eye in the market, steady. The learning never stops. Okay, so that's it. Peace. I'm out.